Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you 6 different types of sci-fi backgrounds which are available in Canva and you can use them for your own designs. So let's start with it. So I will be choosing YouTube thumbnail here. And I will come to elements and I will share the background keywords which you can search for your designs, but you have to keep it in mind that you can also search it in photos, but I am showing you in elements because with this you can search the graphics available with these keywords as well as the photos and videos. Okay, so the first keyword is fantasy floating island. Okay, so I will give a click on it, and first I will show the photos which are available, and as you can see it's really cool, and the main thing which I like here is the clarity of this picture. As you can see, is super HD, and even if you zoom it till here, it doesn't pixelate. So main thing which I like in here. So this is about the fantasy floating island. Okay, so in videos you will find these cool videos here as well as this one and also this one. So let's see how this video looks like. So as you can see, it's a 3D render image which is created into video. So you can use this for your design, but I like the photos more, and also in graphics you can find some 3D templates or 3D designs which you can use here. So, and as you can see, the most of the designs or most of the images are in pro version, while some of them are in free version like this one. And as you can see, I'm scrolling it down, so almost all of them are in pro version. So this is the first keyword. Okay, so let's go for the second keyword, which is fantasy world. Okay, so I will search in photos, and as you can see, the images which are really cool here, and this picture I like the most. As you can see, we have read in novels like Alice in Wonderland kind of images which are coming here. I like this image more, and also this one. So as you can see, this type of images you will be getting in this keyword. Okay, so and also let's see the videos. So in this keyword the videos are quite well constructed, and as you can see you can use it for your designs. Okay, so and let's see the graphics, and the graphics are, as I told you, it's like the novels which we read, like this castle illustration which reminds us about the novels which are available. So this is the second keyword. Okay, let's move on to the third keyword, which is sci-fi technology. Okay, so these are the photos and which are available, and in this I like this image and this one. So let's try the first one and see if it pixelates or not. So as you can see, it doesn't pixelate even in like 157% zoom. So let's keep it this way, and it works really fine. And let's see the videos here. So videos are also really good here also, and let's see the graphics here. So graphics are normal in this keyword because you are not getting anything extra for this keyword which you can use. Like you can see it's sci-fi written, but you can also use you can find it in line art format. Okay, so these are not quite means the graphics or the animated illustrations are quite normal as I find it here. But let's click and find the next keyword, which is the fourth one. Okay, so the fourth one here is floral nature fantasy background. Okay, so these are the photos, and in this I like this one the most. As you can see, it's creating a great effect here. And also you will find this image which is really cool here. Let's try this one. And this also looks really good. Main thing I like in this all of the image, as you can see, most of them are in pro version, but the main advantage is that the pictures don't pixelate even it gets zoomed up to 150% of this image. And this part I like the most because as a designer, the main thing which I keep it in mind that my designs don't pixelate when it is zoomed or when it is transferred from one device to another. Okay, so as you can see, these are the videos, and videos are quite interesting in here. Like this one, this is quite good, and also this one, which I find it really good. And let's see the graphics here. So graphics are same as the previous one, not quite well developed, but here I like the photos and the videos which are quite interesting in here. So let's move on to the fifth keyword. So it is fantasy fairy tales. Okay, so let's move on to the photos, and as I said, you can find the images of castles here, like this one. Okay, and also images like this you can find in here, and which is quite interesting and quite well thought. The graphics, and herein you will find some cool graphics here, like all of them. It looks really cool here. Let's see the videos. So I find this one and the first one really interesting, and you can also use this for your own design. Okay, so it's time for the last keyword. Okay, so let's search in elements, and it's mushrooms fantasy forest. Okay, so let's go to photos, and as you can see, it's quite interesting in here. Like this picture I like the most, and let's see videos what we got. So it's quite similar to the previous one, but there are some detailing in it. Let's see the graphics here, and in graphics we find some cool 3D look images or 3D look illustrations in here. Okay, so these are the 6 keywords which I shared with you, and you can use them for your own designs. Hope you like this tutorial, and stay tuned to our channel to find more interesting videos like this. Thank you.